What's going on, guys? Ryan Ross back with another video, and today we got Vevor. Vevor sent us a few packages, as you can see, and each video is going to be me opening one package and reviewing what they sent. And I think we got a couple different goodies in here. But today we're going to be focusing on this big guy right here, and that is going to be their welding table. It's a 30-inch by 20-inch welding table. So let's get into it. Let's unbox it. Let's set it up and we'll review it. Let's go. Some heavy duty steel. And we got it built, guys. So as you can see, you can adjust this if you want to height-wise. These little tabs pull out, and then you can drop it down and plug it into a different hole for a different level. And then you have these. I think this is for stability. You tighten these guys up right here. Gives it from keeps it from shaking, which is also nice. And then you got these legs that will collapse if you want to move it. And then you got this, which will tilt. And then you can close the legs, and then you can tuck it away in a corner somewhere. Nice and neat and out of the way, which is really nice for storage. And then you got this little handle right here. I didn't tighten it all the way, but you do have that. You can pivot, and then you can just lock it in place with these little butterfly nuts. So it's really nice. You also do have these sidewalls right here. So when you are welding, you can pop those up if you needed to. And if you check this corner here, I do have a speed square right here. That this should be exactly 90 degrees. So, which is nice. So when you're welding, you can have, if you're welding like a corner or like if you're welding two pieces together, or probably some like square tubing. So, no, it's not gonna move on me. But if you're gonna weld up two corners together, like square tubing, this isn't square tubing, but this can give you an example. You can just use this corner right here, clamp your pieces down, and then hit your square tubing, weld it up. You can tack it here, then you can drop your corners while keeping this clamped. And then you can tack it from right here. And then you can take all the clamps off, flip your piece, and then tack the other side, and then go ahead and weld her up. So that is pretty nice with these side walls. I was trying to think why they made them, but then I thought, oh, well, people weld corners all the time, and I was curious if it was a perfect right angle, and it is, so that's nice to have. So like I said, you can go ahead and just close this up. Let's just see. Sawhorse. It's really nice, and I'm gonna say for the material, it is pretty thick. I mean, this is, definitely bigger than a 16th inch, almost an 1/8 inch material thickness, which is pretty heavy duty. I mean, this material you're just buying alone at the store, everything, if you bought all this to make it yourself. So honestly, there's a better deal of just buying it from them versus going to a steel house and getting it, because you can't even get this material nowadays for the cost that they priced this bad boy at. So instead, I don't know what these are for. Didn't figure that one out, but something with bigger bolts that stick out with these would be nicer to have for these sides. other than that, I'm actually very impressed, and I would recommend this. Yeah, Vevor, you guys got it going with that. The pricing of this, and I guess the design of it's pretty cool. So I'm really happy with it. I will definitely, first impressions are very, very good. We're gonna do a little test here of how this table works. Obviously, it's like any other table. It's a metal table, so everything could be grounded. One thing I did notice, I do wish they had like a dedicated area for your ground. I know this is a metal and it can be grounded anywhere, but that's not the point. The point is it should be already there. Obviously, I can weld something on the bottom here and just attach it there, but it'd be just nice if it was already there. So that's just one thing to think about, but no biggie. You can weld it really fast, or you can literally put this anywhere. So I'm gonna put this down here because everything's gonna be ground. Turn on a welder and lay a bead or two. Probably wondering why I'm putting this here. Well, because I'm welding in shorts that I don't want to burn. And this is just gonna be like a little apron. And I'm too lazy to go change my shorts. So today we're gonna be welding with this 7018 rod. This is the 1/8 inch rod, Excalibur. I got this 1/2 inch plate. It's pretty rusty. I did grind off a little bit just to lay a bead down. Like I said, I do wish she had a different grounding spot. I'll weld something on here to make it a welding spot. I know I can ground it anywhere, but just would be nice if it came already with a spot. But let's see what she's all about. Started off a little cold and then got where I needed it to be. A little protruding there a little bit. Burning a little too cold. I am burning on this inverter box. It's off by about 10 amps plus or minus. I'm at 120, so I might have to crank her up, but not too bad. Table held up. I did notice one thing while I was leaning on here, and I have it pretty tight. I mean, as tight as my fingers will let me go, but this still wants to kind of bend, which is not ideal when you want to weld, just because people like to lean on it, put their weight on it. So, but if you're in a pinch, this table is for sure where to go. If you're like outside somewhere and you need something quick, something, you know, a table to weld on, really good. It's good for these smaller places. But yeah, I wish they had a grounding spot already installed so I don't have to add one. Not a big deal, can just tack one on. But this bending thing that's moving, I'm not a fan of. So I wonder what I can do to fix that. But everything else so good, quality is good. Not too bad. but it is hovering a little bit. Looks kind of nice. What do you think? What do you think? I'm too hot or too cold? I'm definitely too cold. That's for sure. But let's hear what you guys think. Okay, straight line for just freehanding it. There was no previous line there. I think it's kind of straight. Straight is my personality. For this table, like I said, it does have these side walls. They're perfectly 90 degrees. It does fold up. It's easy to store. Good quality, but I don't like how I can't tighten this anymore without this little bending right there, which can annoy people. It might annoy me over time, but we'll see, and we'll keep going at her and keep using her and see what she can take. I don't know, maybe these nuts will strip out, or these bolts and nuts, and I'll have to change it up to give it more heavy duty bolts and nuts, or figure out another weld something on her to kind of stabilize that, because I don't really need it to bend unless I'm storing it. So maybe I can put a locking mechanism so it just stays like that. This one's perfect for if you're just a DIY guy. Good one for like a small garage or small little shop. I mean, if you have the ability to build your own, I would obviously recommend always building your own. That is going to be nice quality, heavy duty, and it's going to be custom to what you like. This is on the pinch. This is for small areas. You could take this on the road with you, quick, throw it in your truck. If you need a table, pop out a table, and then you can weld on it. So that would be nice to use it for that. So yeah, that is it, guys, for the review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the Vevor welding table. This is the 30 by 20 inch table. Go check them out. I'll have everything in my description below. You can check that out, or just check them out on Amazon or their website, vevor.com. Really good welding table. I do have a little bit of flaws with it, but other than that, I mean, this bending thing is just the main concern, that it kind of moves. But other than that, guys, I mean, good quality, feels good. I like how you can store it easily. You can bring it on the road with you if you need a quick setup. Another thing is, I wish they had a little grounding that was already installed with it. Obviously, that's not a big deal. I can tack on a little piece of metal. Not a big deal. But yeah, great little table, guys. Go check them out. Vevor, thank you for sending this out. I really do appreciate it. Also, we're going to be checking out a couple more products by them that they sent to me. So stay tuned in the next coming videos so we can check those bad boys out. And if you guys like the video, please like, please subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Too cold. That's why you keep practicing. No, that's why you get a better welder.